Welcome to University of Bridgeport's John J. Cox Student Center, a central gathering place where students come together to relax, recharge, and connect. From casual hangouts in the Twisted Cafe to late-night fun in our 8-lane bowling alley, this is where campus life unfolds beyond the classroom. No syllabus required. Located in the heart of University of Bridgeport's campus, the Student Center is easily accessible from residence halls and academic buildings. Its central location makes it a natural meeting point, whether you're stopping in between classes or spending time with friends after a long day. Designed to support both social life and student well-being, the John J. Cox Student Center offers comfortable spaces for dining, entertainment, events, and relaxation. It's a place where students can study informally, attend campus programs like slam poetry nights, meet up with friends, or simply take a break from their busy schedules. On the lower level, you'll find the university's Esports Lounge, a modern gaming space designed for both competitive and recreational play. Outfitted with high-performance gaming stations, immersive lighting, and comfortable seating, the lounge supports solo gaming, team competition, and organized events. Featuring 24 high-performance gaming stations, top-tier headsets, keyboards, and consoles, this dynamic space accommodates players of all interests. The Esports Lounge also supports organized teams that compete in the ECOC Esports League against other colleges. And for those who want to turn a passion for gaming into a career, UB offers an esports concentration and a minor within its sport management program. The Pool Room Lounge offers a fun, laid-back environment where students can enjoy friendly competition and unwind together. With pool tables, ping pong, games, TVs, and open lounge seating, it's a popular spot to relax and hang out. One of the standout features of the Student Center is our on-site bowling alley, a unique neon-lit amenity that brings the UB community together for fun, events, and casual recreation. UB's John J. Cox Student Center keeps our campus connected and the community buzzing. Come see what's happening, find your people, and make yourself at home.